Okay, example 4, right? Okay, so determine Laplace transform for t minus 5 ut minus 5. Okay, determine the Laplace transform for t minus 5 ut minus 5. Okay, so first thing first, what we do is you look at the bracket or at inside here. This is your ft, so you can see that your ft now is in terms of gt minus a ut minus a. You can see that you have 2, and this is t minus 5, t minus 5. Okay, so it's clearly that this one is a unit step function. So how we want to solve this? Okay, before that, we know the answer is e in type of e negative a s g s. Okay, so now step number 1, you need to identify first what is your a. Okay, what is your a here? You can see here is t minus 5, t minus 5, right? So by referring to this one, t minus a, t minus a, so what is your a? Your a is 5. Okay, your a is 5. So one more thing here that you need to make sure is this number must be equal with this. Must equal. Mesti kena sama. Because this is a. It's represent a, right? So means that kalau sini 5, sini 5. Kalau sini 2, sini kena 2. Must be equal. Okay, must be equal. So they have a question that's not equal. Dia ada soalan yang tak sama. Okay, later I will show you how to cater that question. Okay, but for now, okay, for this example, so identify your a first. Your a here is 5. Okay, next, identify what is your gt minus a or gt minus 5. What is your gt minus 5? By refer to your function here. What is your gt minus 5? Yeah, clearly we know, or we can find out your gt minus 5 is t minus 5. Because this one is ut minus 5, is ut minus a. So you want to determine gt minus a or gt minus 5. So this is your gt minus 5, which is t minus 5. Okay, step number 2, you need to find what is your gt. What is your gt? Okay, here gt minus 5, and the answer here is t minus 5. Okay, maksudnya kat sini, if you will replace t minus 5, t minus 5. So now you want to replace, instead of t minus 5, you want to replace with t. So gt minus 5 is equal to t minus 5, right? So kalau gt maksudnya is equal to t, just t. They have no t minus 5, they have no t minus 2 and so on, just t. Okay, macam ni saya tunjuk lagi. So you ada gt minus 5 and this one is equal to t minus 5. So kalau, for example, if you want to find gt, so t minus 5 is t minus 5. If we have t, so that means it's just t. It's just t. Okay, so gt is equal to t. Okay, the last step, no, not the last step, it's step number 3. Okay, step number 3, what we do is we want to find gs. So to get gs, you need to find the Laplace transform for gt, and your gt is t. Okay, your gt here is t. So by using table, so you can get the answer directly from the table. It's 1 over s squared. Okay, you can check, you can double check to your table. Okay, alright. So the last one, or step number 4, the answer here is e power of negative as. So it means e power of 5s. What is your gs just now? Your gs here, 1 over s squared. Right, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, we have 4 steps here. Step number 1, you need to identify your a. Step number 2 is identify your a and also gt minus a. Step number 2, find out your gt. Step number 3, find your gs. And last one, you just compile the answer that you get from step 1, step 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Maybe you still blur, right? So I will show you the next example. Okay, example 5. So determine the Laplace transform for t minus 4 square ut minus 4. Okay, so like I said before, first thing first, you check whether this is a unit step function or not. Okay, clearly that you can see they have two terms that consist of t minus a, which is t minus 4, t minus 4. Okay, alright, so this is the unit step function, and we know the answer is e power of negative asgs. Okay, so from here, from this equation, you know that your gt minus a here is t minus 4 square. So please bring this power. I mean, you need to take it all. Okay, don't left, jangan tinggal apa-apa. Power pun kena bawa. So means that gt minus a is t minus 4 square, and your t minus a here is ut minus 4. Okay, so second thing that what we need to check is whether the a is equal or not. Okay, clearly that is equal. Is it 4? Is it 4? So step number 1, your a is by 4. Okay, now what is your gt minus a just now? Okay, gt minus 4 is equal to t minus 4 square. Right, step number 2, you need to know what is your gt. This is gt minus 4 or gt minus a. Now you want to find gt. So if here is gt minus 4, t minus 4, so here is t minus 4. Kalau if you want to have a t only, so that means you just replace t. So instead of t minus 4 square, now it's just become t square. Okay, just a t square. Alright, okay, so next, step number 3, find the gs. So to get gs, you need to find out the Laplace transform for t square. So what is t square? By using your table, you can get is 2 over s cubed. And then the last step is e power of negative 4s times 2 over s cubed. So what we do for the last step, you just compile. Okay, this is the final answer. So you need to know what is your a and what is your gs. Okay, so that's the answer. Alright.